With its pointed spire of the hexen term that dominates the city's skyline, Idstein is a place where modern German life unfolds against a medieval town. Idstein can be reached 30 to 45 minutes by public transport from Wiesbaden. From its railway station, it will take you about 20 minutes walk to the old town. The small town of Idstein in the Taunus mountains welcomes everyone, offering a real mix of nature and modernity, as well as a slice of German history and culture. As you stroll through Idstein's old town, you will find yourself surrounded by some of the finest half-timbered architecture in Hesse. These aren't museum pieces, but people still live and work in these colorful medieval buildings. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Idstein should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Idstein. If you're planning to escape the hustle and bustle of the city life, you can visit this fairy tale town lined with colorful half-timbered houses, winding cobblestone streets, and leaning buildings. The daily activities of the people in the place remains refreshingly authentic. The area is not crowded, and there are no small stalls along the walkways that sell souvenir items, making that walkway free from obstruction. Instead, you'll discover local bakeries and hotels, restaurants that offers authentic German cuisine, a weekly market, and cafes where locals and visitors gather for their morning coffee. I am amazed with its perfectly preserved old town with a peaceful environment and picturesque ambience. The best place you should always linger in this place is in the heart and the soul of the town, the market square. Like many other old markets in Germany, it also has a Löwenbrunnen or lion fountain. It is more than just a water feature. It's a symbol of Idstein, reflecting the town's heritage and serving as a central gathering point for both residents and visitors. In the market square, you will find the city hall, a few cafes and restaurants, and a place where the people in all walks of life gather. Within the square is a striking and out-of-the-ordinary attraction called the Killinga House. It is one of the more vibrant and dominating among the three houses lined up here, with lots of carvings and its stunning facade with bay windows protruding outwards. Most of the buildings encircling the main square here date back to between the 15th and 17th centuries. I bet that this is what makes Idstein as one of the most Instagrammable towns in Germany. Next to the Crooked House is the massive Kanzleiter Castle, easily reachable by climbing the steps in front of the Red Town Hall. You'll pass through the gate, which has had an interesting history as it has been used as a prison, torture chamber, and a grain storage, but is today used as a registry office. Once you walk through the castle gate, you will be in the former castle grounds. Then you will see stretching up into the sky is the Hexenturm or the Witch's Tower. It is the oldest building in the town, dating back more than 1,000 years, and therefore is the symbol of the town. If you're interested in climbing the tower, ask at the tourism office for the medieval key for the tower. Just a bit further beyond is Ludwig II Renaissance Palace, built between 1614 and 1634, serves as a residence for the counts and princesses of Nassau-Idstein. After the Nassau-Idstein line died out, the palace served as an archive in the 18th century, then as a convalescent home for the Royal Prussian Army in the early 20th century. Today, it serves as a grammar school. As I continue to stroll through the lovely town, I have observed more picturesque alleys and streets with a slightly hilly area. As I walked straight from the market square going up, I encountered another fascinating half-timbered house that divides the road, either going down to Café Gasse or going up to Obergasse. Indeed, Idstein is not only interesting but also an amazing place to walk around. Rising tall near the market square is the Union Church, an active Protestant parish church in Idstein. Although a plain-looking church on the outside but magnificent on the inside, with series of paintings by the Flemish painter Michelangelo on the ceilings. As I was in the inside, the decorations covering the walls and ceilings really captivates my attention and make me speechless for a moment. The church is not only a place of faith and worship, but also a true symbol of art and richness in culture of the town. So, to those of you who are acquainted with the half-timbered towns scattered all across Germany, will know of the loveliness I am talking about. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the town even more. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose